Hello, my dear friends. Welcome back to another episode of the LWS English Podcast. I am so happy that you chose to spend this time with me today. My name is Susan, and I am your host. This channel is a safe place for you to learn English with peace, clarity, and zero stress. Today, we have a very special topic. We are going to talk about your morning. Specifically, we are going to explore how a simple change in your morning routine can completely transform your English fluency. Many students come to me and say that they want to speak English, but they have no time. They work 8 hours a day, they have a family to care for, and they are tired by the evening. I understand you perfectly, but the secret to success is not having 5 free hours. The secret is how you use the first 30 minutes after you wake up. Before we begin our deep dive into this strategy, please take 1 second to subscribe to our channel. By subscribing, you join a community of mature learners who believe that it is never too late to learn. Also, please like this video. It takes only 1 click, but it helps our message reach thousands of people who need this encouragement from Susan. Now, let us talk about the power of your morning. Why is the morning so important? Scientists and researchers say that when you wake up, your brain is like a blank piece of paper. It is clean, it is fresh. During the day, you will fill that paper with stress, work, and problems. But in the first 60 minutes of the day, your brain is in a state of high receptivity. This means your mind is open. It is hungry for information. If the first thing you do is check the news or look at social media, you are filling your mind with noise and sometimes with negativity. But if you give your brain 10 or 15 minutes of English, you are setting a language mood for the rest of your day. You do not need to study for 1 full hour. If you give me 20 minutes of your morning, I can help you reach your goals much faster than someone who studies for 3 hours only on Saturdays. Consistency is the queen of learning. It is better to do a little every day than a lot once a week. To make this routine work, you need to follow the LWS way. Listen, write, and speak. I, Susan, want to suggest a routine with 3 small steps that anyone can do. Step 1 is the listening shower. Do not sit at a desk, do not open a heavy grammar book, just listen. While you are making your coffee or preparing your breakfast, put on this podcast or a simple English song. Listen for 10 minutes. Do not worry if you do not understand every single word. You are showering your brain with the sounds of English. You are training your ears to recognize the rhythm, the music, and the flow of the language. This is how children learn, and it works for adults too. Step 2 is the 5-word journal. After you finish your breakfast, take 1 small notebook. This is your English diary. Write down 5 simple words or 1 short sentence about your day. For example, you could write, "Today is a sunny day," or "I feel happy today." By writing just 5 words every morning, you will learn 35 new words every week. In 1 month, that's more than 140 words. In 1 year, that's more than 1,800 words. This is the power of small steps. Step 3 is the mirror conversation. This is the most important part of the routine. Go to the mirror while you brush your teeth or get ready. Look at yourself and say 3 things in English. You can say, "Good morning, I am a good student," and "I will speak English today." Speak it out loud. You need to hear your own voice speaking the language. This breaks the silence barrier and builds your confidence before you even leave your house. If you can speak to yourself in the mirror for 2 minutes, you can speak to anyone in the world. I know what you are thinking. You are thinking, "But Susan, I only have 10 minutes before I must leave for work." My friend, 10 minutes is enough. If you spend 5 minutes listening and 5 minutes speaking, you are already ahead of 90% of other students who do nothing. Let us look at the math. If you study for 10 minutes every morning, after 1 year, you have studied for more than 60 hours. That's a lot of English. Discipline is about doing a little every day, not a lot once a month. You are a mature learner. You have lived for 50, 60, or 70 years. You know that big things are built stone by stone. English is exactly the same. To be successful with your new morning routine, you must prepare the night before. If you have to look for your notebook for 10 minutes, you will lose your motivation. Tonight, I want you to do one thing to help your future self. Put your English notebook and one blue pen on your kitchen table. Put your headphones next to your coffee machine. When you make it easy for your brain will cooperate with you. We call this reducing friction. When the tools are ready, the student is ready. You do not need a teacher every second. You need a system that works for you. I want to speak directly to my students who are over 50 years old. Sometimes you feel that your memory is not the same as it was 20 years ago. That is okay. You do not need a perfect memory to be fluent. You need a perfect routine. A young person might learn 10 words in 1 minute and forget them in 2 minutes because they don't have focus. But you, with your life wisdom, can learn 1 word and connect it to your real-life experience. You have the patience to repeat. You have the discipline to show up every morning at 7 a.m. This is why you will succeed where others quit. I, Susan, want to challenge you today. I want you to try this English morning routine for the next 7 days, just 1 week of your life. For 7 mornings, give me 15 minutes of your time, 5 minutes of listening, 5 minutes of writing, 5 minutes of speaking. If you do this, I promise you will feel different by the 7th day. You will feel more confident. You will stop translating everything in your head because English will become a natural part of your morning, just like your cup of coffee or tea. Imagine yourself 3 months from now. If you start this routine today, in 90 days, you will have practiced English for more than 20 hours. You will know hundreds of new words. You will feel comfortable hearing the language. All of this because you decided to change 30 minutes of your morning. This is not a dream, it is a result of discipline. Thank you for listening to this episode of the LWS English Podcast. I believe in you with all my heart. I know that you can change your life by changing your habits. English is a gift that you give to yourself. It opens doors to new friends, new books, and new travels. Remember, fluency is not a destination you arrive at one day. It is a journey that you enjoy every morning. And every journey begins with one small step. Your first step starts tomorrow morning when the sun comes up. Before we go, I have 3 small requests for you. First, if you found this message from Susan helpful, please share this video with 2 people you love. Second, leave a comment below. I want you to write out the time you will wake up tomorrow morning using words. Will you wake up at 6, at 7, at 8:30? Write it down to make a promise to yourself. Third, tell me 1 word that describes how you feel about your English journey today. Is it excitement? Is it hope? Or is it a little bit of fear? I will read every single comment you write. Your story matters to me, and your progress inspires me. Keep practicing every day. Keep believing in your ability to grow. And always remember our motto: listen, write, and speak. This is the LWS way to success. I, Susan, will see you in our next episode, where we will continue this beautiful journey together. Have a beautiful morning, a productive afternoon, and a wonderful day. Bye-bye.